Hi everyone, my name is Bob. I'm with BMD Distributors. Today I'm here to talk to you about a product called Screeneze, which is a screen enclosure system for screening in that covered porch. Nice thing about this thing is that there's no splines, no staples. It is a snap lock system with an aluminum back frame and then a vinyl cap. And when that cap snaps onto the aluminum base, it stretches the screen and tightens it all in one move. So no more pulling and stretching, no more baggy screens. Excellent product from that regards. Also, one of the other features is that it can go up to 150 square feet panel, which is larger than any other screen system can allow you to do. It comes with a 10-year warranty. And it's also been hurricane wind tested up to 140 miles per hour. It's a very strong and durable product. It comes in a variety of 4 colors: bronze, sand, white, and clay. The product can be installed either flush mounted to your frame or inside mount. So what we're showing here is this is the flush mount. In this case, they've mitered the corners, and you can see how tight that screen is. On the reverse side, we have the inside mount, so you can actually do that inside your frame. They have available these corner mounting plinth blocks, so instead of mitering it, you can just do square cuts and use these mitered or these plinth blocks. It can be done with either the inside or the flush mount application. In addition to that, this year they've come out with a new product called SnapTrack. And this product is just a sleeker version of the original Screeneze product. This would only be for a flush mount application. But the nice feature about this is that the screws are pre-drilled into the aluminum base frame. It's going to come with stainless steel screws, which is great for any coastal application where you have salt air, etc. And then the other nice feature is that when you snap on the vinyl cap, it's going to cover the screws and the screws are going to be hidden. So, new product coming out this year. Just gives you a sleeker kind of version of the original, but it does all the same things. It stretches that screen, tightens it as you go. At BMD, we're stocking the original Screeneze product in 3 different colors: the white, the bronze, and the sand. And in the SnapTrack product, we are currently stocking the white only. So if you have any further questions, please feel free to contact BMD. Here's our information, will pop up on the screen, or you can go to the Screeneze.com website for additional information. Thank you, have a great day.